In terms of overall distribution of fresh money coming into the markets, Gauravji, what is your advice to clients of Standard Chartered Securities? How are Ultra-HNIs at your stable looking at the market? Where are they deploying fresh funds?
So, we always advise to have this balanced approach. We do not, or we try to avoid a skewed approach either towards a stock or a market breadth or sectoral allocation. We believe that there are good stocks available across the market breadth and the listing sector. Of course, we are overweight on the financials and the consumption space. We believe IT, which has been an underperformer and which have picked up in last few months, could be outperformer in the short term or over a year also. Metals is one structural story that we believe could play out over a number of years. So these are some of the spaces where we are advising our clients to be overweight. And some of the other spaces which have done pretty well, especially this infrastructure space in last few years, that's where this we are underweight.
Why would you prefer metals to this extent? It's a commodity play. Nothing much is expected there. What is the logic behind being so bullish in the metals environment in India?
So, a lot of investments are going in the EV space, renewable space, where the demand for metal is much higher. And some of the non-ferrous metal side, the supply side is not growing in line with the demand. And this gradual gap between supply and demand will keep the metal prices pretty strong, and this is going to be a very, very positive for the metal stock. So at one side, because of the climate and the environment concern, some of the supply side is getting constrained, especially in China. And other side, the demand has been strong. So that's why we are very positive on this space.
Okay. What is the preference within the metal space? Are you looking at deep value PSU stocks, or do private sector metal giants, whether they're in aluminium space or ferrous space? What is the preference there in terms of hierarchy?
So I think we are looking at the non-ferrous side of plays. There are a number of them. I can't really go into stock specific, but another way to play this metal multi-year metal upcycle is probably, as a small investor, you can go and buy a metal-based ETF. There are some available in the market.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.